Hello, my name is Ms Cheatham, but you may know me if you watch Sam and Cat. I played Nona on it. And your parents may know me as the lady who went through the roof in Beetlejuice. I'm going to tell you all about my garden today and what plants need to grow. They're like humans. We need air and food and sunshine and good tender care to grow. Now we live up here in the mountain area, and it's the foothills of a mountain range, and you can see the mountains right behind me. Okay, let's begin. Now let me introduce you to the gardener's best friend. This is a compost turner. Plants are very much like people. We need food and water and sunshine and oxygen to grow. Well, so do plants. So the plant food can be made from decomposing plants. Isn't that wonderful? So let me show you my trick. Open the lid. Now, inside, see all this wonderful brown business that's kind of composty? That's what it is. I'm making a trench in it right now. And this white stuff here is a part of a cabbage. Isn't that interesting? Now, into this, I'm going to put, here we go. These are grass clippings. Compost is made of green stuff and brown stuff that has been left out and under the sun, and it gets hot and it decomposes and it releases all of its nutrients, all of its components into this wonderful big brown fluffy stuff that we call brown gold in the garden. So here's all of this green stuff, and next I'm going to get the old leaves. Oh wait, here's some more green stuff. You know that chard plant that we took out of the garden just a minute ago? Well, I chopped up the bits that we're not going to just throw away because they were can't use it, but I chopped up all of the bits, all of the stems that we're not really going to cook this time. And this is green stuff. So I chopped it all up, and you won't even be able to recognize this in a couple of weeks if the sun comes out and heats all this up, because they will decompose. And now, for my next trick, I take these old leaves that are in the garden. So the trick is to get the right combination of green stuff to brown stuff. You can even use newspapers, because what are newspapers? Newspapers are chewed up trees that make paper out of, see? So hold on, I've got one more trick. This is stuff that is left over from the garden, the kitchen. Here we have potato peels, we have some apple peels and onion peels, and it gets a little fragrant down there, so until I wash this out. Okay, so now, see, so you can look down here now and see that all of this stuff is mixed up together, and it has this brown stuff over it. So this is the decomposing. So now I'm going to close the lid on my compost turner, lock it down, and okay, now we're going to open the lid, and I'll show you what it does. Open sesame. So look at this. It's all mixed up. And when it decomposes, it'll all be lovely brown stuff. And that's our food for our garden. We're going to put it on the plants, like this.